Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. You know, I've got a stock here, HIW. Now, this is a REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust, okay? I bet you most of you have never heard of it. Highwoods Properties, Inc. This is why I love earnings season. It's not because I want to watch Apple or Google or Amazon or all the big guys that everybody talks about. It's for these stocks that come out of absolutely nowhere that probably are like basically dormant for 3 months until they release earnings. And look what happened to this stock. I mean, what a beautiful setup underneath 18, a little bit of a consolidation there, and then almost straight down. It's a little bit of a pull up now. I'm out of my position, most of my position. I'll get out up here if it gets up to that 1730 mark. But how beautiful is that? Well, some of the other ones we're seeing, you know, they jump up and down. Even though the market is down today, you would think, well, just short anything. It's just not the case. But a stock like this, I looked at it, had a decent flow at about 100 million, and it just kept moving down, 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 down. Again, I call this maybe a second or third or even fourth tier earnings release that flies under the radar of virtually everybody. But Trade Ideas, we can pick it up. Okay, guys, I want to get back into the room. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.